Hey guys, welcome back to Ultima Beauty. Today we're on location in my super messy room because I'm trying out this new light that I got. Yeah, it's called the Diva ring light. Most people have heard of it. That came in this box. I'll try and take a picture of it and add it at some point here. So we'll see how it works. Hopefully everything will be clear and I won't be at the mercy of the sunlight or the rain trying to get a good shot. So last night was the Super Bowl. It's Monday today. Pretty exciting game right down to the last second. I have to admit I did end up being an Eagles fan in the middle of it. I wasn't as neutral as I thought I could be. So I'm pretty happy they won. Sorry for Patriots fans, but you know, they'll probably win next year. So, but today I'm going to do a little review / makeup look of the Balm Jovi makeup palette. It's inspired by different rock bands and rock groups. Of the names, you got Iron Maiden, Led Zeppelin, all those fun ones. And then you open a little more. Got some lip colors, Millie and Vanilli. Then some of their favorite combinations down here. So let's get started with a look from the Balm. Start things off with a foundation from MAC. This is Studio Fix Fluid. So then on this brush from Coastal Scents, take the shade Metal-ica, so Metal-ica, that silver shade there, and put that all over the brow bone. I think the next thing I have to invest in is a backdrop because it's distracting or annoying or boring seeing the back of my room. It's kind of a mess too. So then taking the shade REM, that purpley one there, on a Real Techniques face shadow brush and put that all over the lid. Taking the shade Blink 1982 on just a little crease brush. A MAC 217 brush. Then take the shade Alice Copper and put that along the outer V of the eye. Use this little domed brush from Lottie London. I don't know what the brush is called, but I'll find it for you. Using this black eyeliner from Mally, just run that along the top lash line. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to smudge it and make it more Rockstar-like. That black, blue, glittery shade, the stroke, on an angled eyeshadow brush right over the eyeliner. So same deal on the lower waterline. A flat defining brush. This one's from Luxie. Just go under the eyes with the Alice Copper along the lash line, not under the eyes. That would be strange. I'm surprised there's no like Aerosmith names in here, you know, for a rock palette. Did you had to see the Kia commercial last night with Steven Tyler? He's driving the car and he ends up going back in time and he's young again. Everybody's all like the 70s or 80s or something. It's like, no, that's not how it works. We all know that you can only go back in time in a DeLorean. I mean, come on, that's just a fact. Then I'm going to take some mascara from Benefit. They're real lashes. And just coat the top and bottom lashes. Clean things up. Didn't come with a contour shade, so I'm just going to use NYX Wonder Stick and then just take that down, sort of starting with that little, I don't know the scientific term, bump, nub in my ear, and just follow it down. Using this mini 168 brush from MAC, just make that a little less harsh. I like my contour pretty strong, but if you don't like it that strong, just keep blending till it's lighter. It does, however, come with a highlighter called Disco. Is that what it says? Disco. Solid gold. Real Techniques. I think it's actually called a contour brush, but I use it for highlighting. Then the blush, that's from the Pop era. Don't You Want Me? Yeah, Don't You Want Me. And this Luxie blush brush. Then they have their lipstick shades here. Millie and Vanelli. It's a lip and cheek stain. Let's go with that one, Millie, with this little lip brush from Maybelline. Let's make it a little more 80s. Lip liner from Beautique. It's from Sally's in the color Sienna. So here we have our Rockstar face palette, Balm Jovi inspired makeup look. I really like the colors. The names of the shades are really cute. A lot of fun. It's pretty long lasting even without a primer. However, sometimes when you put a brush in the shadow, it crumbles a little bit. There's not too much fallout on the face, but I don't know. Just FYI. So thanks for watching. If there's any makeup looks that you want to see, let me know in the comments. I know somebody asked about a stage makeup look, which I am looking into. But any ideas, let me know. Thank you for watching. If you like this, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I will see you next time. I'll try to figure out this light. It has a dimmer and everything, so I can make it really bright. It's just really hard to see. So I had it on the lowest setting. I guess I could have turned it up a little bit. Would have been okay. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.